tapdasan, one of the best.
Nakataya po ang WBO International Light Welterweight title ni Jason Pagara, the fighter wearing the red trunks with black trim and wearing the shiny red trunks. Ang kanyang kalaban, tubong Mexico, Mario Meraz.
Alam mo na yung Meraz, probably, psychologically, is a little upset after what happened to his countryman, Partida.
At syempre, ito namang si Jason. Gusto niya na manalo rin siya dahil nanalo ang kanyang mas batang kapatid na si Albert. Mario Meraz, you were telling me about his style. He's a guy who likes to come forward and throw a lot of punches. Matapang siya.
But you know, alam mo itong Meraz, when he sees Jason Pagara and he saw probably the tape of Rosbel Montoya, the rematch, medyo ingat na siya. He's a little cautious.
Nakausap ko si Jason Pagara about losing to Rosbel the first time. Sabi niya he wasn't so focused in that fight because he was going through some problems personally. Pero nung rematch, nanalo na siya kontra kay Montoya. At Jason Pagara was able to throw right hand pero may counter right din. Itong si Mario Meraz. Left hand by Meraz. Mario Meraz
fighting back. Alam mo nitong estilo ni Meraz, he comes to fight. He wants to engage. Good right uppercut by Jason Pagara. Maganda yung ginawa ni Jason. Counter.
Meraz calls himself Rocky. Tignan nga natin kung malaraki ang kanyang puso.
Ang left hook ni Meraz.
Jason Pagara still looking to find this rhythm. This is round number 1, scheduled for 12.
Combination by Meraz again. Meraz trying to work to the body. Si Pagara moving around.
Si Pagara pumwesto sa gitna ng ring. 1-2 combination. May kanan na pumasok doon, Ronnie.
Yes. Yung gusto ko si Jason Pagara, he is not rushing anything, partner. Dahan-dahan. Alam niya.
Shot. But there was a left na pumasok mula. Down! Right, baksak si Meraz. Nakabawi agad si Jason.
Maganda yung kanan niya.
Pero nasa pull din si Jason. It was Meraz who was able to land the left hand first. Bumawi agad. Si El Nino.
He looks to the cornerman, Antonio Lozada Castillo, his trainer, for some advice on how to handle this situation. Another good right again by
Jason bringing in the heat dito sa ating unang round.
Pero nandun si Meraz, ha? Don't underestimate him. There goes the bell end of round number 1. A good round for Jason Pagara. Maganda. Action-packed palaga.
Time for the Cobra Flakas Punch of the Round. This special
knockdown scored by Jason Pagara.
Good left hook.
In the opening round, there's a left hook. Napatras doon si Mario Meraz. Jason's gonna get hit here by a left, but he comes back with a right to drop Meraz. 10-8 round para kay Jason Pagara sa round number 1. Tuloy ang ating bakbakan dito sa Pinoy Pride 26. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok. Anton Ross kasama si Ronnie Nathaniels at ringside.
Punong-puno ito yung waterfront.
Grabe.
Casino, medyo init na.
Dahil sa dami ng tao dito sa jam-packed waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino. Congratulations ulit sa Ala Boxing Promotions sa isang na namang napaka-successful na fight card.
Si Meraz trying to use a left hook.
Kanina, nakatingin ako kay trainer Edmund Villamor during the corner in between rounds 1 and 2. He was telling Jason to throw some uppercuts. So tingnan natin kung magpapakawala ng uppercut itong si Jason.
Good left by Meraz.
There's a left uppercut. Si Meraz
through the uppercut.
Yeah. Palitan ng heavy shots dito sa round number 2.
Rocky Meraz.
Rocky not just throwing a left jab, he's varying it, turning it into a left hook at may kanan pa. Palaban itong si Meraz. At pumwesto si Meraz sa gitna ng ring.
Jason connected with the left pero kulang yung mga kanan niya.
Mas naging patas ang laban dito sa round number 2. Mukhang nakarecover sa knockdown itong si Meraz.
Meraz. See, Jason tried the right uppercut but it was short. Kulang ang distansya.
Ayun, may kanan na pumasok sa katawan.
Good left again. Body shots might tell the story itong laban na ito. Maganda yung kaliwa sa katawan ni Meraz.
Jason trying to be unpredictable dito sa round number 2.
Maganda yung ginawa ni Jason, yung left to the body.
At nakikita natin yung pagsunod ni Jason sa kanyang trainer na si Edmund Villamor, throwing that right uppercut dito sa round number 2. There's a right hand upstairs. There's a left downstairs mula kay Jason.
He's also varying his punches. Same with Meraz.
Matinding bakbakan dito sa ating main event, Pinoy Pride 26. Jason Pagara, the champion, the WBO International Light Welterweight champion.
Good right by Pagara. Maganda yung kanan niya.
Pintis ang left hook ni Meraz. Final 10 seconds dito sa round 2.
Tough round to score.
Oo. Pero may kanan. Jason Pagara trying to steal this round.
There goes the bell, end of round number 2. Good round.
Palitan na naganap sa round number 2, Jason Pagara. Tinitira yung katawan ni Meraz.
Yeah, yung kaliwa ni Jason sa katawan ni Meraz. Maganda yan. Magandang idea yan kasi you can weaken the fighter by working to the body.
Nakatingin ako sa kampo ni Jason Pagara at sinabi ni trainer Edmund Villamor, throw the right uppercut, follow it up with the left hook to the body.
Tama. Pero yung Meraz is the one who struck the uppercut.
Oo. Pero tinatapon din ni Pagara yung
siyempre.
right uppercut. Hindi lang tumatama ng solid. Kailangan pa ng timing. Round number 3. Jason Pagara versus Mario Meraz.
Good left. Now there.
Now it's a street fight.
It's a waterfront ball. Roll and Pagara connects with two.
Oh! Left hook by Pagara.
Right.
Another left hook.
Another
There's
right
the right uppercut. Yun yung hinahanap ni trainer Edmund Villamor. Isa pang kanan.
I told you this guy is a fighter. Meraz, he comes to fight. They engage each other. Magandang laban ito.
Mabigat yung mga tinanggap ni Meraz. Pero nakatayo pa rin siya.
Bakbakan talaga.
Mexico versus Philippines.
Two right uppercuts. Three right uppercuts by Jason Pagara.
Another uppercut.
4-5. Pero nandun pa rin si Meraz eh.
Matibay ang panga ni Meraz.
Oh, beautiful combinations by Jason Pagara.
Jason coming out, guns a-blazing dito sa round number 3. Pero itong si Mario Meraz, matibay, Ronnie.
Yeah, matibay talaga. Pero daming uppercuts
Oh.
galing sa Jason Pagara. He's reddened the face of Mario Meraz. Now he's jabbing. Tama yung ginawa niya. Change the tactic. Now jab. Tignan mo yung mukha ni Mario Meraz.
Sabi nga ni Rocky, it's about how much you can get hit
Another
and
good
keep
right.
moving forward. Yun ang
Another
ginagawa ni Meraz. Ang dami na niyang kinain ng mga suntok mula kay Jason. Oh!
Down. He's
Staggers him.
He's
Napatras doon si Meraz. Jason going for the finish. El Nino. Dito sa round number 3.
left hook, right uppercut. But Meraz fights back off the ropes. Matibay talaga itong Mexicano. Magandang laban ito.
Jason Pagara turning up the heat. There's a right hand.
Galing itong dalawa. Si Jason maganda. Good left hook and a right. Meraz against the ropes.
Now, what's important here for Jason, Ronnie, is that he does not punch himself out.
Tama. He got caught with a good right from Meraz. Right uppercut by Jason. Another right uppercut.
Kailangan, meron pang nakatira dito sa gas tank ni Jason Pagara. He's going to the body now. He's throwing those right uppercuts.
Big Big shots by both fighters. Malakas ang suntok nila.
Pero mas marami yung pinatama ni Jason. There's a right to the body. Pagara, patuloy na hinahabol si Meraz. Huling 10 segundo. Meraz with a right uppercut followed up by a left hook to the head.
That was the end of the round. Good round. Action-packed fight.
For the Cobra Plus Punch of the Round.
Perhaps the most action-packed round of the fight so far.
Staggered Meraz.
Jason tried to go for the kill here. Pero itong si Mario Meraz,
Matibay
nagpakita ng
talaga.
tibay. Oo.
Tibay. 16 knockouts in 20 wins with only 3 losses. Mario Rocky Meraz.
The thing is though, in those 3 losses, he was knocked out. So Jason would like to
Do the same.
do that.
Alam mo, sabi ni Meraz naman, either I knock you out or you knock me out.
A lot has been said leading up to this main event.
So he got a couple of good shots in
Oo.
Meraz.
Good start para kay Meraz dito sa round number 4, Ronnie.
Jason Pagara has to be a little cautious. Can't take too many risks against Meraz because si Meraz naman lakas ang suntok niya. May variety of punches. He likes to put combinations together.
3 buwan ng ensayo si Jason Pagara para sa labang ito. Jason turning down the heat dito sa round number 4. Siyempre, it's a lot of
good.
energy in the 3rd round, but he nailed Meraz.
He hurt him. Another cracking punch by Jason Pagara.
Kombinasyon.
Meraz,
Meraz, ayaw pa rin bumagsak.
he's on the ropes. And Jason Pagara going after him.
Meraz, nagpapakita ng puso dito sa round number 4. Ayaw
Grabe.
bumagsak.
Mexican warrior talaga.
Kaya matindi ang rivalry ng Pilipinas at Mexico sa larangan ng boxing dahil sa kanilang mga puso. Both fighters just don't know how to quit.
You know, Meraz was hurt so many times, but he still stood on his feet. Didn't go down. He shook Jason with a good right.
Medyo nagbakal yung tuhod ni Jason ng konti doon.
Jason was hurt. Now Meraz is trying to go with the uppercut, then a left to the body.
At yung sinasabi mo, Ronnie, kailangan mag-ingat nitong si Jason. He can't get careless.
He got caught with another shot, but he comes back. Si Pagara.
Ang tindi ng palitan.
This is a puncher's paradise.
You said it. Both men trading bombs. Matira matibay. Jason Pagara with the right hand. Pagara, blood dripping from his right
He
nostril.
got caught with a good right from Meraz.
Dumudugo na ang ilong ni Jason Pagara.
Good right by Jason.
Huling 10 segundo dito sa round number 4. Left hook mula kay Pagara. Right hand mula kay Pagara. Sapul na naman si Meraz.
But he won't go down. He's down.
He goes down. Naipit sa lubid si Mario Meraz. Jason Pagara, nakita yung pagkakataon through a wild combination. At tinapos na ni referee Dan Rex Tapdasan ang bakbakan, pero si Mario Meraz ayaw. Sinasabi niya gusto pa niyang lumaban. Kaya pa daw niya.
I thought that's a premature stoppage. Look, why? The guy was ready to fight. He was up on his feet. He beat the count. he came forward. He was also hurting Jason Pagara. I don't know. Well, he's the referee, not us.
Abangan natin.
Sayang, magandang laban yan. Bakbakan talaga.
Oo.
You deprive the fans. Yun ang feeling ko. Although I have really no complaints about Jason.
Time for the Cobra Takas Punch of the Round.
Segundo, 10 seconds.
Pagkatapos mangyari ito, a whirlwind of punches. Pinakawala ni Jason Pagara. Well, his eyes rolled back. Jason Pagara.
Oh, beautiful left hand. And he went down. Now, tignan natin. Importante ito.
Tumayo agad. Tumayo agad.
He may have been a little groggy. He looked at his corner. He raised his hand. And he said yes. And he stopped the fight.
Di makapaniwala.
He was saying
Si
that
Mario Beras.
he was a little, a little shaky moving from left to right. But come on. Okay. Anton Rojas will now enter the ring to talk to Jason Pagara, see what he has to say about this victory. I don't know. The referee has the right to do what he did. He stopped the fight. He said he was groggy. It's true. He was a little groggy, but he got up. He beat the count. He raised his hands. He said he was ready to fight. So, I don't know what made him decide to stop the fight. But that's his decision. We got to live with it. No question about it. Jason Pagara had a couple of knockdowns. Looked really good. Although he himself was hurt in that round by Miraz. Now over to our ring announcer, Rico Navarro.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the official time at 2 minutes and 59 seconds of the fourth round. Our referee, Dandrek Stapdasan, stops the bout. We have a winner by technical knockout and still the WBO International Light Welterweight Champion, Jason El Nino Pagara. Jason Pagara, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, Jason Pagara, the winner. And now we're going to have Anton Rojas interview Jason Pagara. Miraz and Jason Pagara exchanged pleasantries. It was a good fight. I mean, you got to give this guy credit. Miraz. Over now to Anton to interview Jason Pagara and then Albert Pagara.
Kakatapos lang po ng ating main event dito sa Pinoy Pride 26 at kasama ko ngayon ang matagumpay na si Jason Pagara. Jason, ang tindi ng naging laban, ang dami mong suntok na pinakawalan, ang dami mo rin tinanggap na suntok. Nakita ko si Coach Edmond sinasabi sa'yo in the corner, magpakawala ka ng uppercut at left to the body. Ginawa mo yun sa round number 2, effective. At nasaktan mo yung iyong kalaban.
Oo, sinabihan namin ni Coach yung unang round, hindi lang magkumpiyansa. Tignan mo lang yung kalaban mo kung paano gumalaw. Kasi istudyuhan naman namin yung laban niya sa DVD namin ni Coach. Pero sa akin, relax lang ako. Relax lang ako pagtapos ng pag akyat ng ring, relax lang, 1, 2 pa, 12, relax lang muna para madali mong mabagsak. Kung ano, yung ganun.
Sa round number 4, natamaan ka ng isang kanan. Medyo na off balance ka ng konti. Gano'ng katindi yung pinatama ng kalaban mo?
Yung ano, yung 4 rounds na ano, natamaan ako sa kanan niya. Ano, rogi ako yun eh. Narogi ako, tapos wala lang, hindi lang ako, nag-relax lang ako kasi kayang-kaya ko naman yung kalaban ko eh. Kasi tinitignan ko naman yung laban niya sa DVD.
Halos patapos na yung round number 4. Under 10 seconds to go. Naipit mo siya sa lubid, tas tinapos mo ang bakbaka.
Opo. Ano, istudyuhan ko lang muna kasi ano, kasi rogi na siya eh. Yung 1 round, rogi na siya. Tapos sinusundan ko hanggang 4 ba yun? Doon na nabagsak, wala na. Dirigil lang ng referee.
At syempre, nandito si Prince Albert Pagara, matagumpay rin sa kanyang laban. Ito ang unang Pinoy Pride na nagsama kayong dalawa, Pagara Brothers. Albert, ano masasabi mo? Ikaw ay isang champion na ngayon.
Malangang gabi do, masayang-masaya ako kasi nakuha ko yung belt eh. First time ko to sa laban na may belt na. At maraming salamat sa iyo nanonood dito sa Waterfront, Cebu City. Thank you po.
At dahil nanalo kayo, eto, pagkakataon na para pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga sumuporter sa inyo. Albert, ikaw muna.
Maraming salamat po sa Panginoon, una-una sa Panginoon at saka sa Ala Promotion at saka mapasalamat ako sa aming yung pangalawa naming amahan si Antonio L. Aldeguer. Nagpasalamat ako sa pamilya Aldeguer at saka sa ABS-CBN. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa kanin dito. Maraming salamat po.
Ano po, may gabi po sa inyo lahat. Yung una, yung pasalamat ko po, yung kagigad na binigyan kami ng panalo yung kapatid ko, kami dalawa. Sa lahat ng nanonood dito ngayon sa Waterfront, maraming salamat po. Hindi lang ako, sa lahat ng mga boxer na lumalaban din sa butan po ninyo. At saka si Sir Ala, si Sir Mike, maraming salamat sa Ala Promotion, at saka si BCBN at Cobra. Thank you po sa Mayor namin sa Cagayan de Oro, Mayor Oscar Moreno, at saka sa Maasin, si Mayor Samaka.
Teka. Bilang kuya ni Albert, meron ka bang message para sa kapatid mo?
Wala naman akong message sa kapatid ko kasi magaling naman siya. Magaling naman siya sa amateur eh. Siya yung mas magaling sa akin na amateur eh kasi taas-taas niya. Opo.
Ikaw naman, Albert, para sa kuya mo, anong mensahe mo sa kanya?
Mensahe ko sa kapatid ko nagpasalamat ako kasi tinuran niya ako ng disiplina at saka focus ng training, yun, huwag magbisyo, yun ako natuto sa kanya. Maraming salamat po.
Prince Albert Pagara, Jason Pagara, dito sa Pinoy Pride 26 Fists of the Future.